Y'all got somebody that can't can't take accountability. I don't know if there's a fight here. I don't know if you guys are fighting now. Maybe you guys are always fighting. I feel like whoever this person is possibly think they're slick in some form of fashion, in some sort of capacity, but they're not. They're not that bright. Clarifying can't take accountability is devil energy. So it seems like this person is a liar, a cheater, a deceiver, a manipulator, someone that has an addiction, toxic as fuck. At the bottom of the deck, I'm showing a snake energy. Sneaky, jealous, envious, hidden motive, sly, has it out for you. Behind that is demon time. Spirit is also saying a venomous individual. It says black widow. It could be possibly a feminine energy, but I'm seeing someone that's very angry. Somebody get angry when you call them out on their bullshit or something like that. I feel like this person has some sort of an entity attachment, or they could just simply be the entity itself. Place it. I don't mean to laugh, but place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Because this person toxic as hell. They don't like to take accountability for the things that they do. They like to point the finger at you. They like that. You see how the devil point a finger at you? Something that they do, they blame it on you. It's like this person be having it out for you or something like that. Like try to make it seem like you're the problem when they're the problem. This is an energy of them trying to fight to make sure you are seen as such. Let's like clarify this devil. That's crazy word. Clarify the devil. What is it that we need to know? Yo, clarifying the devil is commitment. This is an energy of binding. Okay? I'm seeing binding contract, a binding contract, a commitment. You could possibly be in a commitment or a binding contract, whoever this person is, possibly have a child, but married to this person, with married to this person or something, or is married to this person. You could possibly be in like some sort of long-term relationship or something like that. I don't know. Clarify this double energy. Number 34 could definitely be significant. I'm seeing this person, it says alliance. You guys being some sort of alliance, you could possibly have children together or something like that. Again, like I said, you possibly married or something. This possibly could be someone that you at one point you could okay. The present energy is talking about trust. You trust them. You trust whoever this person is. I'm seeing that there's some sort of alliance, number 8, but I'm showing that there's a third wheel here. This is someone that you can't trust. This is someone you trust, but I'm showing this is someone that you should be distrusting. Number 37. Or maybe this is I look at the energy is fluid. I'm seeing an energy of someone being angry. There's an energy of anger, unpleasantness, offense, madness. Let's go ahead and get into it. And this is clarifying the devil energy. Clarify commitment. So, like I stated, there is some sort of commitment here, or was some sort of commitment, some sort of binding agreement or contract amongst the two of you. Clarify this commitment. And I'm seeing an energy of fighting because someone can't take accountability. Clarifying this commitment or this binding contract, I'm seeing a high priestess here. This is the energy of someone that has spiritual insight, that uses divination. Wait a minute. Clarify this commitment. So they could have some sort of binding agreement or some sort of commitment with someone that is, a high priestess. The energy is coming out as a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and I'm seeing an energy of someone winning, having some sort of advantage. There's an energy of you moving forward with the Six of Wands from a situation that you possibly felt restricted, possibly felt trapped. I'm seeing an energy of unhappiness, sitting with a lot of regret. I'm seeing a lot of anxiety, fear, deep unhappiness, and walking away. You walking away or planning to walk away, or maybe you've already done that. I'm seeing an energy of abandonment, letting go. Have reached some sort of limit when it comes to whether this person, I'm seeing energy, you walking away. Clarify this alliance. Clarify this alliance. One more for alliance. Now, clarifying this alliance, I'm seeing energy of you guys obtaining or receiving some sort of good news. There's some sort of message. My right ear is itching. There's some sort of message, some sort of good news, okay? Now, with this message, I'm seeing you guys obtaining some sort of unexpected financial windfall, some sort of lump sum of money. It can have something to do with a deed or something. I'm seeing some sort of solid foundation, especially towards a new beginning for you guys. I'm seeing an energy of joy and happiness. There's energy of celebration. It looks like there's an energy of you being watched. There's energy of someone spying, okay, out of regret, or will be spying out of regret. I'm seeing you refusing some sort of offer from this person. I'm seeing it being, yeah, this is a missed opportunity. And it looked like it caused a fight because you want nothing to do with them. There's an energy of you guys walking away from this devil, this snake, this sneaky monitoring spirit person. Look, break up this devil. Yeah, whoever this person is comes out as somebody from your past now. This person had held a lot of like illusions and secrets. Drama. This person harbored a lot of insecurity as well. And a lot of things from their past is what's affecting their present today that they need to heal and work on. Because things were not what it seemed with whoever this person is. Let's go ahead and clarify this third wheel. Number 37 could be significant. What is going on with this third wheel, please, Spirit? This person is definitely very flirtatious. Clarifying third wheel is the Ten of Cups. I don't know, maybe this person was talking about having a long-term connection or family or something with whoever this person is. Clarify third wheel. This is a father figure and judgment being called on them. This emperor energy. It's coming out as an emperor energy. Maybe it's a father figure. This could possibly be like some sort of older masculine energy or someone of authoritative energy, but I'm seeing like there is an energy of family. Maybe they have a child with this person, or possibly wanted a long-term relationship, or have been in a long-term relationship with a third wheel or something like that. Um, what's going on with this third wheel energy? Anything else? Yeah, this person thought they was going to continue to get away with it as they continue to self-sabotage and do underhanded behavior. They possibly were also showing aggression or anger towards you as well while entertaining someone else. That's what I'm seeing here. They wanted to do some sort of binding. They wanted to keep you in some sort of binding. You got the Most High here with you. The sun coming out. This is the energy of freedom. Like you got yourself free from the devil. That's what I'm saying. The Most High freed you from the devil. And somebody, this person is angry. Yeah, you made a choice. I feel like whoever this person is, they originally came out as your soulmate. This is like a fallen angel type of energy. Somebody could possibly even have air in their chart. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius could definitely be significant. What's going on? Anything else regarding this? What is it? Third wheel. Anything else regarding third wheel? Yeah, somebody definitely made a choice in regards to letting this person go and ending things out with this death card. It looks like there's energy you let them go. Yep. Death, the devil. Yep. You brought karma. There's karma. You brought karma on whoever this person is. And I'm also seeing you coming out as the wounded warrior. It seems like you learned from your past failures, mistakes. You gathered yourself together. You didn't accept defeat or anything like that. And you move forward. There's an energy of you guys are planning for the future or have been planning for the future. You already knew that you was going to get away from this devil energy anyway. It was just a matter of time of when. Divine timing. Empress energy out here. You coming out here strong. Yeah, you coming out here strong. Empress. Mother figure. Yeah, high priestess. You coming out here strong. Anything else? Anything else regarding the third wheel? Yeah, leaving somebody out in the cold, leaving this person out in the cold, this devil energy, or this devil. Yep, and choosing yourself, moving on and towards this energy of independence. There's an energy of fruitfulness, abundance, and prosperity. You know, energy of you guys can do bad by yourself versus dealing with this, arguing, fussing, and fighting because somebody want to continue to keep lying. Yeah, I'm seeing you placing boundaries. There's an energy of you standing up for what you believe in, standing your ground, maintaining some sort of control, protecting yourself, being very protective. All right. Anything else? Yep. And I see you having a whole lot of options. and choices to choose from, especially when it comes to love, is what I'm seeing here. Anything else? Judgment being called. This definitely talks about a renewal and you making a mandatory choice that changes your life for the better. This speaks of the last final reckoning. So shall you reap energy, and this person is going to reap what they sow. And you got this temperance angel out here that's bringing balance and peace towards, bringing balance and peace as you move away. This Nine of Cups is the energy of you guys having wish fulfillment. I'm seeing celebration. Somebody could have Earth in their chart. Queen of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and somebody's trying to resist change. There's an energy of somebody wanting to resist change, especially in regards to you leaving. Trying to delay the inevitable is what I'm showing here because of a difficult decision or choice or painful choice. Someone's going to try to bring in some sort of romantic proposal or try to make things right as you are making plans to leave. Is what I'm showing here with the Two of Wands out here as well. As you making plans to leave, they're going to try to come in and try to sway you in some form of fashion. This person can have air in their chart. Strong Libra energy could definitely be significant. They might even try to gift you. Give gifts to you with the Six of Pentacles. Be friendly, generous, and kind to you to keep you from going. I'm seeing you guys coming out as the King of Wands, Queen of Wands. This person going to try to give you their undivided attention. But again, they are sneaky. They're sly. That's what I'm showing here. I'm seeing this person has blocked creativity and they have not learned from the past whatsoever. There's an energy of them experiencing a lot of weaknesses that they haven't, healed from. I'm seeing them coming out as weak, indecisive. I'm seeing them experiencing a lot of delays as the wheel turn in your favor. Yeah, they betrayed you or betraying you. It's like they're trying to steal a new beginning. They're trying to steal you, to stop you from moving on towards a new beginning. They're trying to rob you of your new beginning, of your destiny, of your good fate. That's what they're trying to do. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle. I see it close out. The cycle or contract ends, and this person is at some sort of loss because they lost. There's an energy of despair, them being abandoned as you take a leap of faith in a different direction towards an abundant future, an abundant beginning. It's like you guys may have been working, focusing. I'm seeing an energy of being committed, or there's energy of commitment. I'm seeing you being patient. You move on alone, is what I'm seeing here. Whoever you are, you possibly already spend a lot of time to yourself type of energy, but it's definitely looking like some sort of wish fulfillment and somebody getting angry because they can't keep you back. To manipulate you, lie to you, cheat on you, betray you, and try to get you back with gifts. Because look, I look at gift right here. Like somebody try to sway or bring you back in with gifts and words of encouragement. Words of encouragement and things like that. Whoever this person is might be some sort of charmer, but they're a snake. They're the devil. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please,